Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be playing Car Crash Test. This is a pretty fun game, no ads within the game, so you won't have to deal with ad breaks. And this game is decently fun. So what we're gonna do is just destroy a car. I picked the Cybertruck because it's nice and fast, so you won't have to really wait for, like me driving up hills and stuff. Ooh. Oh no, I somehow did not even scratch this car. Well, that was unexpected. What happens if we get hit by a train? Where even is the train? Ooh, yay! Oh wow. So, never drive on top of a train track unless you need to, like, actually need to. Let's just repair the car. Boom. I don't think you're surviving that, but boom. If you do somehow magically jump out of the car before it actually gets crushed, then I guess you survive. And then you barely tap your car on a metal pole and your entire back door falls off. Let's just not put Jimmy in this car anymore. Okay, now we got a new Cybertruck, fresh out of the shop. Wow, that was a nice drift. Thought it was gonna ramp up. Not just hit that. Alright, what does this ESC button do? I think I go a little bit faster. That's another. Why'd the wheel fall off? We did not do anything to this wheel. It should not have fell off. Let's get a new car. I'm gonna hit all three of these, and then yeah. Nah, let's do this one. Okay. I guess this is fast. About 100 kilometers an hour. I have no idea what a kilometer is. I don't know what the difference between a kilometer and an hour is. Okay, let's go first person. Let's see, kilometers an hour. Say you're just driving your Cybertruck as fast as you normally do, almost 200 kilometers an hour, and then a car cuts in front of you. Yeah, you're both dead. So don't drive over 100 kilometers an hour because you can never stop. What is the turning on this car? Wait, what? Why did the hazard lights just come on? they stopped. But also we stopped. Oh wow, I already dented the top there. I forgot that there was even a train. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yep. But what? How did that happen? I wasn't even clicking no buttons except for WSD. WSAD. And the right click. So I can move the camera around. Why won't this car turn? Hey, Timmy, you might want to hold on to something back there. Because we're about to go fly. Never mind. But now we're about to fly, so you might really want to hold on to something. Whee! Jimmy, you okay back there? Timmy? Timmy? Can I get in a new car yet? Nah, let's just crash it one last final time. How did that do nothing? Alright. Yeah, now we restart the entire game. And it does nothing. Why is there so much smoke coming from the back? Okay, so now this car obviously still works for some reason. The wheels are literally falling off. It's on fire! I don't know if you guys can see that. You should be able to. It's on fire and it's not moving! You think Tesla can fix this? What do you guys think? It won't reverse. It just goes forwards. The wheel looks like it's about to fall off any minute now. I think I really need a new car. It's still on fire. Okay, yeah, no, I definitely need a new car now. If I drive it one more time, I'll die. Oh my god. Stop! I need a new car! I'm hitting the new car button. Pause the game. Restart. Resume. Okay, yeah, no. It could just be because I'm recording a video. No! There's one wheel, it's upside down. And it's still on fire. Whoever's in this car is definitely dead. Nope, now there's no wheels. Literally no wheels. Yeah. Replace. Stop! Let me replace a car! Yeah, now this video's over.